Happy Monday, everybody. It's your boy Lex Money. I took a couple days off because, I'm not going to lie, I was a bit hanging. Alright guys, now the ICP stuff's going to be at the end of the video. We're going to cover some general stuff like in the first half. So before you start crying and you say, you barely covered ICP that much today, Lex, you can just skip to the end. There's a thing called a skip button at the bottom, okay? You can do that. Has anyone seen Haley Welch or is she still sleeping? Who watched that live stream? She was like, yeah, hey, all right then, howdy y'all. I'm gonna go to sleep now, y'all. I was thinking, what? How are you gonna go to sleep now? Oh my god, coffee is on her ass. Coffee is on her ass. We stopped buying these shit coins, okay? We're not going to talk about this again after this video, but we stopped buying these shit coins because it is taking away from the opportunities that present themselves in front of us right now. Bitcoin was at like 100k a minute ago. Now it's at 97k. Is Lex panicking? Is he about to shit his pants? Is he going to sell his own bags? Well, I might shit my pants because I drank a bit too much. But that's nothing to do with the market, guys. We're looking for pickups in the market. At the end of the video, I'm going to go check out my trading view and show you guys where my next pickup is for our baby boy ICP, sitting at $13 today. Now, many of you guys will know KSI. Many of you guys will have your own opinions on KSI, right? I'm going to get this motherfucker on the channel, okay? And someone needs to clip this. I can send it to him. I'm getting him on the channel. We're going to do a podcast. This guy is an ICP holder. Now, I've watched KSI for many, many, many years since I was a little boy. And who knows what this is? I'm sure all of you guys know what this is. It's a Motoko, right? Could you imagine if we got KSI on the channel speaking about crypto, speaking about his predictions, blah, 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 speaking about ICP? That would be massive. But what are you buying on the dip? Are you buying ICP? Are you buying some of the community tokens? There's a brand new project that has just been listed officially on the ICP dashboard that we're going to go check out in a second. I do think that we do have a bit more of downside to come for our altcoins. Dominance is now at a record low that's only been seen like twice in the past 3 years. And what happened? Every single time we hit this bottom, we had like some sort of rally to come after it. Okay, so it doesn't mean that alts necessarily have to like have a super dumpy time, but we should be preparing for some downside for our altcoin. And it does feel like this. If I sell, it goes up. If I hodl, fuck all happens. If I buy, we fucking dump. So whatever you do, you just gotta stop swapping coins, stop dumping coins, stop trying to FOMO into coins. This whole past couple of weeks should have shown you to stop FOMOing into coins, guys. Even though they're saying, yeah, swap sell for ICP. I don't think that's the worst thing in the world. Swapping coins, you're asking for it. Look at this guy who didn't swap his coins. Bang, 10 years ago, you got sent 0.1 Bitcoin as a birthday present. 10 years ago, hodled that motherfucker for 10 years. He's now sold $62 for 10 grand. And it would be so silly for us to start to sell certain coins. Actually, a lot of you guys said in the private community, in some of the comments on previous videos, that, you know, I sold my coins and I just couldn't hold anymore and I couldn't. My question to you is, how long are you here for? Are you here to try and make gains within the space of a couple of weeks to a month? If so, you're going to make zero gains because you don't have the right mindset. You're not looking at it as a long-term, even a medium-term perspective, right, which is a few months. If you can't hold on for a few months, guys, you're not going to be able to make it. And just as we enter into altcoin year, we're finding some resistance at the previous all-time high. Total market cap, excluding the top 10. So this really is altcoins, right? This is taking out all the stables, taking out ETH, taking out things like ADA, XRP, Solana. A lot of the ones that maybe some of you guys have missed the boat on and you guys are going down into the lower market cap. So this is going to include ICP on it as well, right? We're going to find resistance here, okay? We may not break through it at the first try. Maybe it has something very similar to what Bitcoin went through, right? And it shakes a lot of people out of their altcoins because they think, oh my god, altcoin season is never happening. And then boom, we break out. People get left behind and they start to chase, similar to what they did with Bitcoin. And don't get shaken out with Bitcoin either, guys, because we're forming another pennant here, okay? We could break to the downside. We could break to the upside. Decision time is going to be coming soon. Probably by the end of this week, guys. We got to keep a close eye on this. And we needed that massive leverage wipeout last week, guys, which has made me feel a lot better about the market now. Because I was thinking too many shorts, too many longs had been stacked up. The fact it got both sides of it liquidated is fantastic. I think the true move can start to happen from here. Funding rates are getting a lot healthier. Nature is healing. ICP tokens is now officially part of the ICP ecosystem. Go and you check it out. I mean, they got a little bubbles section here, similar to crypto bubbles. And you can figure out what is up, what is down, what is a good price to buy, who got wrecked on McDonald's. I saw they just pretty much dumped everything to zero. Only thing up right now is Windows XP. Now, before we go and check out the charts, ICP is redefining how AI achieves its full potential. Secure, decentralized, and built for the future. You guys read the Medium article for retention purposes. I'm not reading it today, but very, very good. And first it was CoinMarketCap. Now it's CoinGecko. Why are they gatekeeping us? I weren't sure if this was real. I saw a lot of people saying, oh, why have they removed us from the AI section? You can see here, we were here. You go and check out CoinGecko. Boom, these motherfuckers are gatekeeping us, guys. So weird. I don't understand why they do this. I do not understand why they do this. The only project that can run AI fully on chain is not on the AI section. Ow! Why do I think ICP is about to have a mega move, guys? I think this because look what is happening. Not on the ICP USD chart, on the ICP Bitcoin chart. Okay, we need to be looking at the Bitcoin pairs at this stage of the cycle, guys. The USD pairs, cute, whatever. We get a lot more information to say, right, what's going on with ICP on the Bitcoin chart. Last time we broke out, had a retest, that was when we saw their next big move. And then obviously that's relayed in the ICP USDT pair. We've had our breakout, guys, from this resistance that we've been under since the beginning of the motherfucking year. And now we've broken out. We're having a retest. We just want to be holding up here. Even if we like, sometimes it comes down. Maybe back to that double bottom. Okay, that's fine. As long as we hold outside of the channel and we don't start to break underneath it, that is fantastic. We're going to be trying to tackle that 3,600 Satoshis all the way up to 5,200 Satoshis, as was a previous target. Now, I'm not going to spend too much time on the USD chart today, guys, but you can see we had our breakout. We actually overextended from our technical breakout level. We're having a pretty big drawdown, okay? 8% down for the day. Pretty much all altcoins are down for the day. Why is it much easier to be holding these levels now, guys? Well, if you stuck to the accumulation and you stuck to the buys, you can see now why holding at $13 is not as painful as, you know, when it was before, when everyone was buying up here, okay? Buying at $20, and now it's back at $13, right? We're still immensely up on our positions, okay? So this is why you buy into the dips, you buy into the fear. What's the fear and greed index saying right now? Okay, so remember, this is on Bitcoin, not on altcoins, but still in extreme greed, so probably still some like consolidation / pullback to come. Where would I pick up my next level of ICP? Nowhere near here, guys. Nowhere here. I'm not picking up any more. If I was like really felt forced that I had to pick up some, I'd really wait for $10. Does that mean it's gonna come to $10? No, we may never see $10 again. Again, maybe we have a massive shakeout and we do see $10 again and it's a massive opportunity. But for now, I mean, my ICP bags are packed. I'm sure a lot of your bags are packed as well. But yeah, $10 will be a key range that I would like to see for another accumulation. Until then, our eyes on the ICP BTC pair. That's it, guys. If you made it this far, support the channel by clicking that like button, subscribing to the channel. And I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.